What's up, YouTube? Yes, sir. Back with another one. My boy Cargo. He in the Q50s. He finna show us what they do a little bit. Something slight. Slight work out here, Booster. That's our key. My boy Russ. His YouTube is I'm Daddy 134. Go follow that. All their links will be down in the description below. He gonna do one where he hold it and just go, or what?
The limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock to my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never took a hit.
Cut that motherfucker, boy! These hands work, my nigga! These hands work!
Born sinner, down for shit, I'm a winner. Remember when I used to eat?
What's up, y'all? Car Guru. Wanted to show y'all what happened out there with the aftermath. I usually don't do stuff like that, but I don't know. I kind of got a little ratchet in me today. So, about to show y'all. Q right there. And my camera gonna nod. Hey, y'all see this? Yeah. Y'all seen the cockpit view. Sucks we couldn't get the outside view, but that, yeah, I did a figure 8. Y'all see that? That could be done. Easy peasy. Maybe next time I get one of the homies to record, but my hands do work. Trust and believe that. Hands do work. Probably the best out there. You know what I'm saying? But too old to be doing all that now, so gave that life up. Don't need to be fucking my tires if I pay for them. Costs too much. Check y'all out next time. What's up, y'all? It's the next day after the shenanigans. It's daylight, so get a better view so y'all can see my handwork. That's the figure 8. And this little, you know, it's a little bit of space, but it's not a little bit of space. Other people can do it in tighter spaces, but I had to show my homie I still had it. And the Q is very capable. doing what she needs to do. She can act ratchet. Just choose not to. Lady in the red dress did her thing.